Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a happy Saturday to everyone. So if you had watched the part 1 of this video on my other channel, and I would also post the link of my part 1 video from my other channel, so it becomes easy for you to understand from here on. So I'm just going to share the demonstration of how the overall procedure works. And before beginning, I will just leave the notepad, leave this screen on to view this notepad text file. Okay, and this I have shared it on my other video too from my other channel. So I will just leave it like this for you to read, go through this text file. Okay, before we begin the actual procedure to launch a brute force attack on a system. Okay. Okay, this stuff is explained on my first part of this video tutorial. Okay, and let me quickly begin with the demonstration part of how to carry this brute force password attack successfully on a system, okay, that you own. So I am currently going to do it on my router. Okay, so first let me launch cmd command prompt console from my physical host machine, and I'm just going to type ipconfig. All right, to just show you my default gateway IP address. So default gateway is my target machine, that is my router, right? So guys, see, this is my wireless LAN adapter that I'm currently connected to. Okay, this is my LAN network over here, and the default gateway IP address is 192.168.0.1. So default gateway is nothing but your router from where you just go and hit the public internet. Okay, and yeah, so we are ready to go. So this is the target machine. Okay, this is my target machine. I'm not going to launch the attack on my virtual machine. Okay, because I just wanted to show it on my router itself. Okay, most of the times hacking a router or cracking password of the router is the most difficult thing. So I just wanted to show this. Okay, so this particular IP address is what I'm going to set as the target. Okay, this is the device that I own. Okay, so you just have to do it on the network that you are currently owning. Okay, not on someone else's network. Okay, and let's begin. So the IP address is 192.168.0.1. So let's quickly move on to my Kali Linux box, okay, which is the target machine. And before we begin, we need to create a word list. Okay, this is a text file that I have created, which contains all the probable passwords of my router. Okay, so see, ACT at 123 is the actual password of my router. How would I confirm that? I will just go to my browser. I will just type in the IP address of my router on the address bar, which is 192.168.0.1, and I will hit enter. All right, just hold on. Sorry, it's 192.168.0.1 is the correct IP address of my router. Once I do that, this is my router login page, and user name is always admin, and I'm just going to put in the password, which is ACT at 123. Okay, I have punched in the password, and I will hit enter. All right, I think I have typed in the wrong way. ACT at 123, right? And I'm just going to hit enter. There you go. So it has successfully logged me onto my router's home page. Okay, and now let's see if my Kali box, which is my tool that I'm going to use to launch a brute force attack on my router. Okay, I'm going to punch in my root console password, root terminal. I'm just going to launch a root terminal by just selecting that red color. So that's the way how you launch a root terminal, and that's it. now we are going to type a command. Okay, we are so see guys, we are going to use a tool called Hydra, which is a wireless password cracking tool available on Kali Linux. So it's predefined tool, okay, which you can make use of. So I'm going to type Hydra space -L, which is -L means login user, which is going to be admin, and then -P, okay, which is you're going to point the password list, the password word list file, which I already showed you. So it's currently available on my Kali Linux desktop directory. All right, here until here we put in the full path of the password word list file, okay, and then put in ftp : // the IP address of my router, which is the target machine, okay, and then I will just select this and I will say enter, okay, and this is the whole command. Let me make it clear for you. Hope this view is perfect, and I will hit enter. And as soon as I do that, you can see here the attack was pretty simple and straightforward, and it just took a couple of seconds, and that also completed the whole attack. And as you can see, the host 192.168.0.1 fetched the login name admin, which I already specified, and the password, like I said, ACT@123. So it has been able to recognize the password. Since the word list was pretty small, it just did it very in a rapid way, okay, and trust you guys, just for the thing, I'm going to tell that it's going to be pretty difficult on a real-time environment where you actually don't know the password and you're trying to build a very big list of passwords, okay. Then in that case it will take hell lot of time. Since my word list contained the actual password, which I was pretty confident that that is the password, I know that this is the password ACT@123, and it cracked it very easily, okay. But if the word list is very big, it is going to take massive amount of time and resources, and you need to make sure that your computer's processing power is more, okay. In my case, my particular processor is i7 7th generation of processor, which is still decent, I would call. But however, recommended would be like you have the most latest version or more latest generation of i3 processor or i5 processor or an i7 processor, anything could be. But according to me, and according to the whole world, Mac is the best suited for learning penetration testing or trying to learn ethical hacking, okay. So Mac computers are the best, and they are the beast amongst all brands of processor and computers available right now. So Mac is the best option. If you have money, you can buy Mac and try to do all these things, try to learn all these stuffs, okay. But I am not that rich guy, so I use Windows. I am satisfied with the way my current PC is performing and working for me, and that's absolutely fine. Like, you may if you are facing any issues, try to upgrade your RAM size or try to upgrade your storage space, but you can't obviously upgrade the CPU or processor since it's soldered in motherboard, so that's not possible. However, you can buy a PC that is having the latest generation i7 or i5 or any processor, okay, which is more latest and with more clocking speed, okay. And so that's it. And we were successfully able to emulate brute force attack on a target machine, which was my router, and it has in turn worked successfully. If you found this video helpful, please hit the upvote button and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more content related to cybersecurity. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.